Hi, my name is Cyprian. A few months ago, after publishing my book Job Seeker Bible, now available on Amazon and British bookshops, I introduced the ChatGPT Content Rewriter and a tailor-made CV prompt to help you land your dream job. With over 20,000 people in our community benefiting from these tools, I'm excited to present something even bigger. As OpenAI gears up to launch GPT-5 and the GPT Store, and let me introduce you to my custom GPT Builder. This custom GPT Builder, now available for free on the OpenAI website, is designed to refine and structure user prompts, enhancing AI comprehension like never before. It's your personal AI tailor. Streamline your input into clear, logical, and actionable formats for any task. Whether for business, creativity, or personal use, this tool adapts to your needs. To start, think of a specific problem or idea you want to develop into a custom GPT. This could be a unique chatbot, a research tool, or anything that suits your needs. With your idea in hand, the GPT Custom Builder will take over. Here's how it works. Launch the custom GPT Builder and describe what you want to build. The GPT will then generate complete instructions, a name, and a description for your custom AI. Copy the generated details, then head to the Explore section on ChatGPT and click Create a GPT. Paste everything into the Configure section of the GPT Custom Builder. Save it, and voila, your customized GPT is ready to use. User 1. The GPT Custom Builder has been a game changer for our business's AI needs. User 2. Creating my own AI tool was so easy and intuitive with this builder. Join the AI revolution now. Visit the OpenAI website and start crafting your own AI solutions today. Check the link in the description. With GPT Custom Builder, the power of AI is in your hands. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest in AI innovation.